What's up, everybody? It's Zach Jones with Keeping Up with the Joneses. Hey, listen, I'm down here at my machine shop, C-Cut Machine, located here in Hobbs, New Mexico, southeastern New Mexico, West Texas. I serve all the surrounding areas. I do a little bit of machine work, a little bit of everything, general machine work, welding, that kind of stuff. Today, I got my lead pot fired up, melting some lead. We're gonna re-pour some lead impression blocks that go down the down hole in the oil field for fishermen to see what they're going after. That's what I'm doing today. It's a little bit of my shop. It's got lathes. I got big lathes, I got small lathes. That's my main lathe. But hey, like, subscribe, and follow, please. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Keeping up with them.